Hello everyone, I am Manoj Kumar Patra. Welcome to all of you Edu for you. So in this video we will discuss about the reciprocal of a number, class 5 junior maths exercise 8D. So whenever you are saying the reciprocal of a number, it means that two number are said to be reciprocal of each other if their product is 1. Okay, so any number we can say the reciprocal of each other. If their product will be 1, then we can say that this is the reciprocal of a number. Suppose I will take one example. The example like suppose 3 and 1 by 3. Okay, 3 and 1 by 3. If we will multiply these two, 3 into 1 by 3, already we know how to multiply this one, then 3 will be cancelled, the result will be 1. So it means that 1 by 3 is the reciprocal of 3. Understood now all of you? So we can say, normally you can say in any fraction, any proper fraction or improper fraction. Proper fraction or improper fraction, if we will interchange the numerator and denominator, then we will get the reciprocal of that fraction. Okay, suppose in proper fraction I will take one example. Suppose 3 by 6. So 3, if I will ask you the 3 by 6, the reciprocal of 3 by 6, what will be there? Then you can say that this one will be top, this one will be bottom. Then this one 6 by 3 is the reciprocal of 3 by 6. Similarly, even if improper fraction I will take 8 by 4, then reciprocal will be 4 by 8. Simply for the reciprocal of any number, you just remember, we just interchange the value. Means top one will be bottom and bottom one will be top. Clear? And one thing you will remember, that reciprocal of 1, that 1 itself, and the reciprocal of 0 is not possible, means does not exist. Clear? Some examples are there. I think you can do this one. Suppose one example, 5 by 9. The reciprocal of 5 by 9, what will be there? 9 by 5. Simply you just interchange the value. Sir, how will just clear that this is the reciprocal or not? I told you first the example. If you will multiply the number and the reciprocal, 5 by 9 multiply by 9 by 5. After multiply, if their product will be 1, then you just clear that this is the result of this fraction. Means this is your correct answer. Any number, if there will be any product will be the 1, means you just clear that this is your answer. Okay, so now we'll discuss about the division of fraction. As you clear the reciprocal of fraction, then now it will be easy for you to find out the dividing fraction. Okay, dividing fraction. How this one will be clear? Just see. Suppose I will write one division, 5 divided by 2. Okay, 5 divided by 2. This one also we can write as 5 by 2. Yes or no? 5 divided by 2 is equal to 5 divided by 2 also you can write. So this one also you can write as 5 multiply by 1 by 2. This one is correct or not? Yes, no? This one okay? But you just see that 1 by 2 is the reciprocal of 2, na? Reciprocal of 2. So we can say simply, whenever 5 divided by 2, it means we can write directly if 5 multiply by reciprocal of 2. 5 divided by 2 means whenever you want to change this one in multiplication term, then just multiply the reciprocal of that term, reciprocal of 2, then you will get the answer. Clear all of you? or simply you can say the division by any number is the same as the multiplication of the reciprocal of that number. Simply you can say. So any division will be there means so you can multiply that reciprocal of that number. So you just clear, let me take one example like 5 by 7 divided by 25. Okay, 5 by 7 is divided by 25. So here this I told you the division, instead of writing the division, whenever you want to solve this question you should write in the form of multiplication, and multiplication that should be in the form of reciprocal of that number. So we can say the reciprocal of 25, here the reciprocal of 25, that is how much will be 1 by 25. Sir, how 1 by 25 is here? Because here nothing is there means the denominator should be 1. Then 1, that reciprocal will be, I told you that top will be bottom, bottom will be top. So bottom is here, bottom will write in top, top will be bottom. So 1 by 25. Okay, so therefore we can write this one, that 5 by 7, whenever you want to write in multiply form, that should be the reciprocal of that form. So 1 by 25. Now here the cancellation is possible. 5 5 is 25. Now 1 by 35 is the answer. I hope all of you clear. So you should not do this is the reciprocal form. This one you don't do as the reciprocal. So which number will be in division, that number you converted into reciprocal form. So let me take one more example. That 49 is divided by 7 by 9. Okay, so in this case this number you have to convert it into reciprocal form, not by this number. Okay, so this one should clear. So now this one you can write directly, that 49 multiply by 9 by 7, because this is the reciprocal of a number. So you just remember simply that whenever division you want to change in multiply form, that number you will change. This one will write in reciprocal of that number. Okay, so now 7 7 is 49, you can this one convert, then 63 is the answer. Okay, so next you will start the exercise of this chapter. So in this chapter you just see here, very easy question. So first one is the reciprocal of this number. Simply you can write 3 by 5 as 5 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 2. Simply you just convert 7 by 8, 8 by 7. Similarly this one mixed fraction is there. Next we will start question number 2. That is even mixed fraction is there, that is 2 whole 2 by 3. First you should change into improper fraction, then improper fraction you should write as a top into bottom, bottom into top. Similarly this B number you can do this one. Question number 3 is very easy. See here written that 3 by 14 into 14 by 3 is equal to dash. I told you now, whenever this number you will write the reciprocal of that number, then their product always will be 1. So here result will be 1. Similarly next question, 5 by 22 into 4 whole 2 by 5. So this one you should change into improper fraction. You will get this one 5 for the 20 plus 2, 22 by 5. So 5 by 20 the reciprocal will be 22 by 5. So here also will be the product will be 1. Similarly this number I think you can solve. Here the product will be 1 means definitely this number that reciprocal should be here. Reciprocal means 25 by 7 will be here. Similarly this number dash you will multiply, then you will get the product 1. Definitely this number is the reciprocal of some number, means reciprocal of this number you will write here. Then question number D also you can solve. Then divided question number 4, divide this one, not this number. Let me do one question, then you will solve this one. That first number is that question number 4, 1 by 3 by 2 by 2, 1 by 3 by 2. So you should write this one 1 by 3 divided by 2. So this division also you can write in the form of multiplication as the reciprocal of this number. So whenever you will change that sign, then this number you will write the reciprocal of another number. So this one will be 1 by 2. So now this one will be 1 by 6. Okay. Similarly B number 2 by 7 by 4. This one also you can solve. 2 by 7 divided by 4. 2 by 7 divided by 4. And 2 by 7 multiply by 1 by 4. Is there any cancellation? Yes sir. 2 2 is 4. So 1 by 14 is the answer. Clear all of you? Similarly 5 number you can solve. 6 number you can solve. Let me do one 7 number. 7 number A. 7 number A, that is 4 by 9 divided by 2 by 3. 4 by 9 divided by 2 by 3. So 4 by 9 whenever you will change this one in multiply form, then you will write in the reciprocal of this number. This one will be 3 by 2. Okay, so now is there any cancellation? Is there? 3 3 ja 9 and 2 2 ja 4. So this one will be 2 by 3. Clear? Similarly, let me do one B number, 7 number B, that is 2 by 7 divided by 4. 2 by 7 divided by 4. 2 by 7 multiply by 1 by 4. So 2 2 ja 4. So 1 by 14 is the answer. I hope you can solve 7 number also. And 8 number, let me do one. 8 number, that is 8 number A. 2 whole 2 by 5 divided by 8 by 5. So this one you will solve. 2 whole 2 by 5. This one will change into improper fraction. 5 to the 10 plus 2 equal to 12 by 5 divided by 8 by 5. Next we will do 12 by 5 into 5 by 8. This is the reciprocal of this number. So now is there any cancellation possible? Yes sir. Here 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12. 5 5 will cancel. 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 again you will convert it into mixed fraction, that is 1 whole 1 by 2. This is the answer. Similarly 8 number you can solve. Try to solve. Then 9 number. So next video I will show you the 9 number. So next we will start question number 9a. That question is 3 by 16 divided by 7 whole 3 by 8. So first this one is the mixed fraction. This one will change into improper fraction. So if you convert this one in improper fraction, this one you will get 59 by 8. Okay. So now 3 by 16, this one will change to multiply, then this one will be reciprocal of this number. This one will be 8 by 59. So now is there any cancellation? Yes, 8 to the 16. So this one will be 3 by 118. Okay. Similarly B number, 4 by 27 divided by 3 whole 1 by 3. This 4 by 27 divided by, this one will be 9 3 ja 27 plus 1, 28 by 9. Okay. Now 4 by 27 divided by, then you will change into multiply 9 by 28. Then 9 3 ja 27. 4 here, which number will be cancel? 4 will not cancel here. Then what you will get? 4 here cancel, that 7. Okay. So now 1 by 21 will be the answer. Okay. So next 10 number A. 10 number A, similarly you will do that. First you will convert it into improper fraction. 8 3 ja 24 plus 3 equal to 24, 25, 26, 27 by 8 divided by 4 to the 8 plus 1, 9 by 4. Then here will be 27 by 8 multiply by 4 by 9. 4 to the 8, 9 3 ja 27. Then 3 by 2 is the answer, or you can write this one 1 whole 1 by 2. B number, similarly 6 5 ja 30 plus 3 equal to 33 by 5 divided by 5 to the 10 plus 11 by 2. Then 33 by 5 into 2 by 11. 11 3 ja 33. Then 6 by 5. Here will be 1 whole 1 by 5. Okay. Similarly 11 number, 7 5 ja 35 plus 3 equal to 38 by 5 divided by 19. So 38 by 5 multiply by 1 by 19. Then 19 2 ja 38. So 2 by 5 is the answer. Similarly B number, this one will be 24 into 5 equal to 5 for the 20, 120. This 11 number B will be 24 whole 1 by 5. Then 24 into 5 equal to 120 plus 1 equal to 121 by 5 divided by 11. Now this one 121 by 5 multiply by 1 by 11. So 11 1 ja 11, 11 11. So 11 by 5 equal to 2 whole 1 by 5. This is the answer. So for 12 number, you just remember something, that 1 by 3 into dash is equal to 1 by 6. So what you will multiply, then you will get 1 by 6. As here not 1 is there, so you can't multiply the reciprocal of this number. So what you will do in this type of question, you should do that right hand side. This is right hand side. This is right hand side. and this is left hand side. Left hand side, this number or this number. If there will be any this number or this number, any number will ask you, you just remember one trick is there. At that time you will do that right hand side which number will be there, the right hand side which number will be there, divided by the left hand side. Left hand side this number or this number may be there, no problem. So now you can solve 1 by 6 multiply by 3 by 1. So 3 2 is 6. So 1 by 2 is the answer. Now you just put here that 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. 3 2 is 6. So this one is the result. Similarly B number. I told you here that right hand side divided by left hand side. So 4 divided by 1 by 4. So here will be 4 into 1 by 4 is equal to 1. So this 4 divided by 1 by 4. So this multiply will be 4 by 1. Sorry, this one some wrong was there. So here will be 4 into 4 equal to 16 is the answer. So here is the 16. So similarly that here also 2 whole 1 by 3 into dash is equal to 14. This one also same type of question, that right hand side divided by left hand side this number is there. So 2 whole 1 by 3. So this one will be 14 divided by this 3 to the 6 plus 1 7 by 3. So this one will be 14 multiplied by 3 by 7. So here is there any cancellation, 7 to the 14, so 3 to the 6 is the answer. So I hope this one is clear. Thank you.